Hey everyone, it's Airwall from the Airwall here, and today I'm going to show you something incredibly useful. How to recover deleted or lost files using RecoveryFox AI by WonderFox. Whether it's photos, videos, documents, or even old project files, this tool can bring them back in just a few clicks. Let's get into it. RecoveryFox AI is a smart, beginner-friendly data recovery tool that works with HDDs, SSDs, USB flash drives, memory cards, and more. It supports over 500 file formats and uses AI-powered scanning to give you a 98% success rate, so it's super reliable. And the best part, you can preview and filter exactly what you want to recover by file type, size, or date. No tech skills needed. Step 1. After installing RecoveryFox AI, open the software. You'll see all your connected drives listed on the home screen. Step 2. Select the drive where the file was lost. Could be your main disk, USB, or SD card. Then click Scan. The AI will start analyzing the storage and digging up deleted or hidden files. Once the scan is complete, RecoveryFox shows you all recoverable files. Now here is where it gets powerful. Use the filter panel to sort by file type, date modified, or file size. You can also search by name if you remember the file name or format. Preview files before recovery, especially useful for photos and documents. Once you have selected what you want to restore, click Recover and choose a safe location to save your files, preferably not on the same drive you are recovering from. In seconds, your files are back. Magic, right? So whether you accidentally deleted a folder, formatted your USB drive, or had an SD card go corrupt, RecoveryFox AI is a reliable way to get your data back. You can check it out in link in description. And big thank to WonderFox Soft for supporting this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next video and have a good day.